Stop it. Hey.
Hi, this is Carrie with Orkney Farms, and as you can see, we have a piglet. We were planning on waiting till spring before looking into pigs, but Mike was helping a neighbor, and he offered this piglet. She's the runt of her litter. We plan to put her to use, clearing up and leveling out the pastures this coming year, and possibly breeding her for bacon seeds in the future.
Yes, babe. I know you guys think we should name her Dasher, but what do you think of the name calling her Blitzen? Like Blitzen's baby Blitzen. She runs through the Blitzen. She's a bit dark. Sure. You're cold? Go back in the house if you're too cold to be out here.
I'm not cold.
Just recording what she does. She's so funny. Go ahead, say something.
This is my pig that we just bought today. You can see that's the pig.
Oh, she's pushing on the gate below.
She's
Look down, Veronica.
down there, like down at the gate. Push. There she is. Oink, oink. Yeah, oinky,
Can you
oink.
say that's the chicken coop door?
And
That's why there's that hole there, because it was cut there so the chickens could come into this half of the building with the calf, because we didn't want the sheep and stuff getting grain because we're grain free, but our chickens wanted it.
here's the pig.
There she is. But Mom's trying to get this gate closed because she likes to pull on it.
Scrubbing through the hay.
Yeah.
She's trying to hide in the hay.
Yeah, that's what pigs do, Veronica. She's having fun playing in the hay. Let her play in the hay.
Bye, piggy. But you're out of hay now.
Oh, I know. She made a little tunnel.
Yeah, that's cool.
She doesn't like that dog panel in there. Whoop! Down she went.
Uh-oh.
Oh, she's fine.
Guess what?
I don't know. She's gonna push her on that dog panel.
Guess what?
What?
They said that they eat metal. They chew metal.
Oh, well. Good luck chewing that hog panel.
Here she
They
goes.
had her chewing. Their place she chewed through,
There she tries to...
Yes, she's chewing on it. She'll be fine.
And she made a little tunnel, you can see. And she's trying to break that. She's like, get this out of me.
I think she's
Get
just
this out
having
of my
fun
pen.
playing with things. She's a piglet.
Let's get this out of my pen.
Yeah, well, it's not going to be her pen. Eventually, we got...
I don't like this.
When Mom gets this side cleaned out that the calf was in because
Where's the cat now?
he's out in the field with his cows again.
Oh.
See? You can see his face through the
Yeah.
window. He's probably enjoying some good food with the other cows.
We're now talking about the cow a little. And
The cow little. The calf?
well, it's actually a calf.
Huh?
Are you gonna send this video
I'm going to cut out pieces of it
and send it?
and post it, yeah.
This is our first pig.
Yeah, this is our first pig. Well, it's actually not our first pig, Veronica. Mommy and Daddy, when you were a year old, we raised 2 pigs in the barn we rented from Lawrence.
Oh,
But
there's an egg down there. Can I feed the pig in?
not right now. I'm just going to leave it there for her to find later.
Okay.
Just see the...
I'm talking to the pig, okay? It's a pig.
Where is Mom's...
It's trying to chew that metal.
Where is Mom's... brain trouble that she uses for poo? Because we don't eat brain anymore. She's such a little...
I'm starting to really like her.
Yeah, I like her too. I didn't think I'd like her because I'm not a big pig person, but I like her. But she bites.
Yeah. We'll teach her
We're gonna
not to
have to
bite.
be calm and slow with her. Teach her not to bite.
Yeah, that's what I just said. We're gonna have to teach her not to bite because she's biting.
I think she's just scared. We gotta, when we start giving her yummy, yummy treats, maybe she'll calm down.
Oh, she loves me. She likes me. You want some food? I'll go get some carrots.
No, she's got some lettuce and stuff you gave her over there that she's not eating.
I'm just gonna give.
She needs. Problem is she's been fed grain, so she wants grain.
Yeah, let's get her some grain. But we need a bin.
She will be set up with the grain and stuff that we bought her. My mom's done. This will all be cleaned up and bedded down nicely for her. And then she will be moved into this side because the puppies have to go on that side. She's eating something she found. She could be eating the lettuce she found. She could be eating
An egg.
an egg. It wouldn't surprise me if a chicken laid an egg over there. They lay them everywhere these days.
I hear something cracking.
Oh,
So that's why
I think it's her teeth. She likes to. Pigs like to grunt and groan and jingle their teeth together. But there was also a time when Mom and Dad were throwing down some scratch grain for the chickens in that side. So we're just trying to find some piece of scratch grain for the chickens too.
Scratch? Scratch what?
Scratch grain.
Scratch grain?
Yeah. It's grain that you throw down on the ground and the chickens scratch it up and eat it. Miss Trouble, what are you doing over there? So that's our new pig. I'm going to do some more updates on it later. We are going to be moving her over into this area. I just scraped out the calf stuff. I'm going to let it dry up a bit. We had this very deep packed bedding. I gotta do a little bit more cleaning. And then the piglet will be in here. All that nice deep bedding. Came out of there.
So the camera isn't sitting exactly where I wanted it to show me bedding down the pen, but I'm bedding it down and she's running back and forth because I left the gate open.
So this is the new pig we just got. I'll extend this out so you can see better. We're putting her in where we had the calf. I mucked out the deep bedding for the calf. From the calf, I guess it was. It's there. Chickens are having a heyday in it. So this is just a little container of stuff that the kids want to feed her. She's really liking that. Yeah. That's the little piggy. And in this area, we're going to be, I'm going to clean it out more, obviously. And then Tilly and her puppies are going to be in here. But as you can see, the floor is a bit ripped up and stuff, so I'm going to have to try to do something about that. But it's going to be a little bit of work, but I'm going to get this cleaned out too. And set up for the puppies. So we've put them in the new building. We put these windows here to stop the wind from coming in from over there. So it stays nice and warm in here for them. Tilly and them nursing. And I've got their pan of feed, waiting for them to be done nursing. It's been a long day finishing this, so they're a little late on their feed today, but they'll be fine. You can hear the new pig in the background. Yeah. So we did this, like the window's closed for now so that she can't leave for tonight. She's had lots of time away from them. She's got food and water. Looks like some of her shavings are in her water. I'll fix that. But yeah, so we put up these windows here to help block the wind for when the gate is open. And they've got way more room than they had. But this unit here is probably equivalent to the unit they did have. So,
As you can see, Tilly's not really enjoying them nursing anymore. They've got very sharp teeth and nails. I'm going to cut their nails real soon, but not tonight because it's getting really late.
hey, oh, you look. No, this is not good. Come on, you're making an awful mess. You stay. Stay. You. Oh. Stay. Hey, Tilly, stay. Go feed your puppies their food. You. Come with me. Thank you. Okay, so you got a good view of the pig causing chaos. The puppies are over there eating now. If you made it this far, thanks for watching and follow for more chaos. So that's our new pig. I'm going to do some more updates on it later. We are going to be moving her over into this area. I just scraped out the calf stuff. I'm going to let it dry up a bit. We had this very deep packed bedding. I gotta do a little bit more cleaning. And then the piglet will be in here. All that nice deep bedding. Come out of there.